Hello everyone, this is Manny. I'm the CEO of Bison Solutions and BSL Training, and I'm here with Jeff. Jeff, can you just tell us a little bit about yourself and also your experience with Bison and BSL?
Yes, now I work for Bison Solutions for 1 year. I'm very grateful to work for this company. It's been a great journey so far. I've started doing high pressure work when I was 18 years old. I'm 25 now, so I guess it's been 7 years, almost 8 years. I've done exchanger cleaning, pipe cleaning, vessel cleaning, a little bit of everything, hydro testing. I really like what I do, and today we had great training with Stone Age. I'm very happy with that. Stone Age is the leader in the industry.
Yeah, okay, so you know very well that we're dealing with the high pressure, sometimes to 40,000 PSI, right? Can you tell us a little bit about working with that kind of pressure and why you think that still in Canada we don't accept it as a trade?
Oh, I mean, as a worker in this industry, like plumbers have rules and stuff they have to go by. Same thing for carpenter. I think high pressure water blaster is even more dangerous than all that. And we have no rule to play by. We're guessworks all the time. We don't have no chart, no specific way, no journeyman training or apprentice trainings. Is unskilled labor, and what we do is a lot more than push a shovel and dig holes or push a brooms and clean floor.
Not that Bison, though.
No. So I mean, we should be a lot more of a trade than just skilled labor, I guess, because what we do is pretty dangerous. I mean, we're talking about 40,000 PSI. I'll just get 3,000 PSI and I'll put that through your leg. I'll go right through your leg. Now imagine at $40,000 PSI, sorry. It can butcher somebody within a second.
So what you're saying, we need to take it very seriously. We have to make sure that we have competent and trained people in the field.
Yeah, definitively. It should be step-by-step programs in place, like any other trades, where apprentice can only do certain stuff for certain hours, get signed off, move on to more important stuff, get more responsibility. Not anybody can do anything just straight off the bat, and have more. Even for me, like a lot of job, they give me a new tool. Sometimes I never seen that new tool. It just comes out with the tool don't come with no trainings. We have to figure it out, build it, put it together. Who knows? Like we're not robots. We're not 100%. We're humans, right? Pretty good at building stuff with my hand. Pretty good at figuring it out. But you can do mistake anytime, like everyone, and it can kill. This could be avoided with better training, better make it more like a trade kind of deal.
Okay, perfect. And when I used to work in the field, I work as a directional driller. I work with some people that they've been around for 10 years, 20 years, but they had some bad habits. Can you tell us that, have you had any experience that you're working with someone with a lot of years, with so many years experience, but they have that bad habits that could cause danger for you guys?
I mean, it can go both ways. Working with people that's been doing that for years, they have a lot of knowledge and a lot of time. Sorry, they've seen already people get hurt, they've seen people get cut, so they respect the high pressure a lot because they know what's the risk of it, but in the same time they build risk tolerance where they go around rules and procedure where they're like, oh, 20 years ago we didn't do that like that, 20 years ago we didn't use route to this, and stuff like this. So it can go both ways, right? Certain stuff they're very good with because they've seen people get hurt, they know, they have the experience, but in the same time they they have their own way of doing things from when they started in this industry. They were not taking things as safe as now.
Yeah. So Jeff was working in the field, and he drove from Fort Mac for this training, for 2 days training. So do you think that in the future you want to see more training from us?
Definitively, this training with Stone Age. I mean, so far, and I'm a field guys. I love working in the field, and I cannot stand for a long time. And I don't like training usually, but I really like this one because that was awesome. I'm excited. Stone Age leader in the industry. Everyone knows that does high pressure. They were here. They give us training, and they teach us stuff that I never thought anybody could have teach us. And we should really keep going with that.
So that's great. I hope that we see one day is coming that we all take it seriously. We want to see our people go home safe, and we have to make sure that we send trained and competent people in the field, because when there's a shutdown, we send 100, 200 people. It should be a reference that we can see, okay, these guys, they are competent, they are trained. And thanks, Jeff, and you're doing a great job, and keep it up. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.